Hey guys! Thanks for tuning in. This video is going to be the unboxing of my May 2020 paper pumpkin kit that came in the mail recently. And if you are interested, please reach out and let me know. Next month's kit is, the last day to subscribe to next month's kit, I believe, is June 10th. So yes, subscribe before June 10th. This is a kit that I pretty much purchase for myself on a monthly basis, just as a treat to myself. You know, it's always a surprise. It's a mystery box that arrives on your in your mailbox or at your front door every month. And yeah, so let's get to it. Alrighty. So first of all, I love the color of the box. This kit features all of the new in colors that will be in the 2020 to 2021 annual catalog. It's their 5 new in colors for the year. I believe this was Just Jade, Magenta Madness, Bumblebee. I forgot this one. Yeah, I can't remember it off the top of my head. So let's get started. Oh yes, another color is the Misty Moonlight. So we have our ink spot. We have the stamp set that comes in it with it. You could always, the best part is that you can keep this and use it as many times as you want, even though you finish up the kit. Let's see, it says, oh, happy day. There's some plus signs, rainbows, hey, and you're amazing. Then you have the flyer for next month's box of sunshine. So next month is Share Sunshine with Sarah Inspired Paper Pumpkin Kit. Sarah is our CEO, as you can see in the picture here. And so if you're interested in this, sign up for our June Paper Pumpkin Kit. Oh yeah, it's the back of it, some in colors. And let's see, ooh, this time it's pink tissue paper. So let me get the box out of the way. Okay, it's very nice and colorful. Let me get some scissors here. And if I can cut this out properly. It's funny, I tend to struggle on camera more than I do when I'm not on camera. Alrighty, so let's take this out. So we have some twine, some pink and white baker's twine. We have some dimensionals. So I believe the twine is in Magenta Madness, it looks like it. We have, come on. We have some glue dots, some dimensionals. Ooh, what's this? It's some sticker embellishments. That's pretty. Some envelopes. So I see these are the smaller envelopes here. And I like that they have the color inside, the decorations color. We have some lavender or purple color here envelopes. These are bigger size, so I believe, oh, there's also this color here. So these are a bit bigger than the first set of envelopes. And these are some labels. So I see a large cloud here, some smaller clouds, and this label shape. Now, once you pop them out, you don't have, you could use, here, I'll show you. Don't be too quick to throw this away yet, because then you could use your ink and your sponge daubers or something and use them as stencils and color them in and create your own design cards, right? I try not to throw away things before I figure out a use for it. Have some of these embellishments here, I guess, in a way. Well, pre-cut, designed for your card making. So the smaller card these are the card bases. It's in a nice, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's like a nice soft baby or like pastel-y purplish color. You have bigger card bases. This is the rainbow. As you can see, all the in colors on here. Oh, some vellum. And the second card bases. Ooh, more vellum. So these ones are cut more like a banner-like style. I always save this for future crafts because you never know when you need chipboard or cardboard. And the instruction sheet. I see. So this is how the cards are gonna look. So that's these are the two big ones, and this is a smaller size greeting card. And let's see. Yes, so the colors are Bumblebee, Just Jade, Magenta Madness, Misty Moonlight, Pumpkin Pie, and Purple Posy. That was the lighter color. So the Purple Posy would be the light color here. And that would also be the card base for the smaller card. And you'll also see some alternative projects for the items in here with a bit more. You can always, you know, create your own design if you don't like the pre-designed projects in the kit. I always tend to make the design in the kit because I just love how they turn out. And inside, if you open it up, it shows you the steps on how to recreate. And down here would be, you know, in place of a ruler if you ever want to use it to measure. And that is it, guys. This is the craft. This is the May paper pumpkin box, and it's so pretty. I think I might just go and play with it soon. So yeah, if you, I believe this month, actually, the month of May actually sold out really quickly. So, you know, there were some people who weren't able to get their hands on this kit. So now, if you really like this and you're interested in next month's kit will be a lot of yellows and oranges because it's sharing a box of sunshine. I suggest you sign up for it as soon as possible. I will put my link in the description of this video below, where you could just click on that and then subscribe through it. You can stay on for as long as you want or cancel your subscriptions whenever. There is, you know, there's no, you don't have to stay for a certain number of months, but yeah, cancel whenever. And yeah, I think that's it. If you have any questions or so, please let me know, and I'll see you back on here soon. Thanks, guys. Stay safe and happy crafting. Bye.